Tired of scrolling your note the same way every time? Let's change it up. I will show you how to switch between vertical and horizontal scroll direction when creating new note using Samsung Note on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, open Note app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left, and then tap setting icon. Now, tap default note style. While the back style is set to individual pages, you can see two options available for the scroll direction. Vertical, which scroll your pages up and down, perfect if you prefer reading your note like a document. And horizontal, which lets you swipe through your note side to side, great for presentation, sketching, or drawing storyboard. Pick the one that feels best for your workflow. From now on, every new note will follow that scroll direction. It's quick, simple, and more personalized for how you take notes. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.